Hello students, welcome back to our science class. Today in this class we shall study about the first chapter from biology. The name of the chapter is leaf. Everybody knows about leaf. You people have seen every day you people see the leaf of a tree, of a plant in your everyday life. Today we shall study about the same leaf of a plant. So in this complete chapter we shall study about leaf in detail. That is, we can study about simple and compound leaf. In the second topic, we shall study about the phlostex, simple leaf, compound leaf, world, and many other things. This is the brief about the chapter. Now, let's start with the main topics. Leaf represents an important part of the plant body. It is the expanded, usually green part of the plant. It is involved in main activities like transportation, respiration, and photosynthesis. So, as we all know, leaf is the most important part of the plant. Whether it is for the process of transpiration, or whether it is for respiration, or whether it is for photosynthesis. That is nothing but preparation of food, the process of preparation of food. So, leaf is a eternal part of a plant. Now, we have seen the leaf in each and every plant. Now, a typical leaf consists of three main parts, that is, petiole, leaf blade, or we can call it as lamina, and midrib. These are the three important parts of a leaf. Once again, so the three important parts of the leaf are petiole, leaf blade, and midrib. What is a petiole? It is the stalk part which helps in connecting the leaf to its stem and may bear two lateral small leaf like outgrowths called stipules. So you can see the petiole in this part. Okay, that is, this petiole will connect the leaf with the stem. So let us take this is a stem. As you can see, this is a stem and the leaf is connected with a pipe-like structure. This structure is called as petiole. Next, second is leaf blade or lamina. Now what is this leaf blade and or lamina? It is a large, broad, flat part of a leaf with veins and veinlets. Leaf blade play a vital role in collecting sunlight and carry out photosynthesis. It is a large, as you can see, this is a large, broad, so you can see it is very broad, and this is very flat part of a leaf where you can see inside this veins and veinlets are running inside. This is the main part of a leaf which will collect the sunlight for carrying out the process called as photosynthesis, that is for preparing the food. Next is we have one more part called as midrib. It is the large central main vein running down the center of the leaf. It helps to hold the leaf facing the sun. So it is just like our backbone. As we all have a backbone, even this leaf has a backbone. That is called as midrib. So you can see this. So it starts from here. It It is connecting the complete leaf. It is in the mid of the leaf, which is connecting the veins and winglets are held together so that it must face only towards the sun. So these are the three important parts of a leaf. Now here we have studied one more important point called as veins. What are these veins? Veins arise from the midrib and forms a structural framework to the leaf. Very fine winglets arise from veins. They are filled with vessels that transport food, water, and minerals to the plants. So, as you can see here, there are many different structures or lines you can see here which are connected to the midrib. So, these are called as veins. Again, from that veins, there are many other different lines connected. They are called as winglets. So these are helpful for the transportation of the food, water, and minerals to the complete plant. Okay. Now let us see about a simple leaf and a compound leaf. A leaf is said to be a simple when its lamina is undivided. For example, people, when the cuts of the lamina reach up to the midrib, breaking it into a number of leaflets. The leaf is called a compound. For example, you can go with the neem. So, this people leaf you can see in many places. Okay, and even the neem, like the people who are staying in the villages, they may get nearly more number of trees near your houses. So, these two leaf, okay, are like neem as well as people are the examples of simple leaf and compound leaf. Into a number of the leaf is called a compound, that is the neem. So you can see here, you can see the difference between a people tree and a neem tree leaf. So simple leaf and a compound leaf. Okay, so there are a lot of differences. A bud is present in the axial of petiole in both simple and compound leaf, but not in the axial of leaflets of the compound leaf. So, if there is a bud, then it should be present near the petiole. Okay, that is both in simple and compound leaf. Next is phyllotaxy. Phyllotaxy is the pattern of arrangement of leaf on the stem or the branch. This is usually of three types: alternate, opposite, and word. Like when you see different plants, you can see that the leaves are not arranged in a proper way. So you can see here in this picture, we call it as alternate. Alternate means, see, one leaf is up, one leaf is down, up, down. So both the leaves are not in a opposite. So this type of arrangement is called as alternate arrangement of leaf. So here you can see opposite. See, one leaf is extremely opposite to the other. So all the leaves will be like this, opposite with each other. So they are called as opposite arrangement. Whorled means if more than two leaves arise at a node, in a single node, if two leaves are arising, then we call it as whorled. Okay, so examples are also given here. Like for the example alternate leaf, you can take the example of the China rose, mustard, and sunflower plants. You can see alternate leaf. And if you want to see opposite, then guava plant. Okay, so you can see the guava plant. So in that you can see the leaves are opposite with each other. And when you are going towards the whorled, then Alstonia. These are the Alstonia leaf which will be on the single node. So when you go to the garden, you may 100% find all these two types, that is alternate and opposite, but this one is not common, so you can see this when you go to some gardens. So these are the three important topics, okay, from the leaf section. So the chapters are very small, so you people have to quickly read them, okay. So we have completed three chapters, one from physics, one from chemistry, and one from biology, okay. So go through the video once or twice. If you are not able to understand, please text me back or ask me the doubts, okay. Have a good day. Thank you.